Hello and welcome to the LAEDA Business Byte for February 2021. My name is Sophie Werner and I'm the Assistant Program Manager for the LAEDA Women's Business Center. And today I'm here to talk to you about business insurance. The type of insurance you will need will depend on your industry and whether or not you have employees. So there's definitely insurance that would apply to you whether or not you have employees, such as if you use a personal car for business. You need to disclose this to ensure coverage of insurance, so you would need commercial auto insurance to cover those claims related to accidents when driving for business, which again includes your personal vehicle if you use it for business. A business owner's policy combines your general liability, commercial property, and business income insurance. General liability insurance covers bodily injury, property damage to someone else's belongings, personal and advertising injury. Commercial property protects owned or rented property and equipment. So if your business has a physical brick and mortar location, whether that's rented or owned, you definitely want to have commercial property insurance. Business income insurance is also known as business interruption insurance, which helps replace lost income. There's other types of insurance such as professional liability, commercial umbrella, and many others. Definitely speak with your insurance agent to see what kinds of insurance you need. Back to the second part of what impacts the business insurance that you need. So yes, your industry, but then also whether or not you have employees. So misclassifying an employee as an independent contractor does not get you off the hook for insurance obligations as an employer. So make sure you're classifying correctly employees versus independent contractors. Luckily for us, on January 6, 2021, the U.S. Department of Labor released a final rule clarifying the standard for employee versus independent contractor under the Fair Labor Standards Act. This final rule reaffirms an economic reality test to determine if someone is in business for themselves or is economically dependent on a potential employer for work. Of course, if someone is economically dependent on their employer, then they would be legally an employee, whether or not you classify them as such, so you would need to cover them under your insurance policies. So why does this matter? New Jersey law requires that all New Jersey employers that are not covered by federal programs have workers' compensation insurance or be approved for self-insurance. Workers' compensation insurance gives employees benefits if they are hurt or sick on the job. Additionally, employers who pay at least $1,000 in wages to at least one employee are most likely subject to unemployment insurance. I'm going to put more details in the description below, but you should contact the Division of Employer Accounts and the State Department of Labor and Workforce Development to see if your business is required to pay unemployment insurance. My name is Sophie Werner, and I'm here from the LAEDA Women's Business Center. If you have a small business or are looking to start a small business, please give us a call at 856-338-1177 or visit us on the web at LAEDA, that's LAEDA.com. Nosotros hablemos español. I hope you are all staying safe and make sure that you are insured. Have a great day.